Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which passports you hold and your travel goals. Label routes by best entry rights. Once done, open a secure folder and place physical passports plus printed visas and reservations. Make sure to check passport validity. 6 months is common, and blank pages for stamps. Also note which passport lets you avoid visas for each country and create a short route list. This first step saves time at border control and prevents last-minute scrambling. Next, you assign a passport to each travel segment, distinguishing flight check-in versus immigration entry. When checking in, use the passport that the airline needs to see, then at arrival, present the passport that grants entry. Once assigned, record passport numbers on itineraries and carry a copy of the other passport. This helps if officials question your route. Make sure to verify transit visa needs and dual nationality limitations, and print any required supporting documents to reduce friction. Finally, you use the chosen passport at each checkpoint, airline, exit, and entry, and keep the alternate ready. Once done, store passports in a travel wallet and show only the needed passport to speed queues. If an official raises concerns, remain calm, politely ask for a supervisor, present the other passport and your booking confirmations, and explain visa exemptions if applicable. Make sure digital copies and embassy contacts are accessible in case a passport is retained or additional verification is required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.